Welcome to Resume Audit, where the Nanny Solution audits your resumes for free. The first thing I would say about this resume, it's fantastic. It's a really good resume, but it also is a wall of text. I know you've probably been told many times that you need to have your resume all on one page. I think that's true for corporate resumes. I'm not sure that's true for nanny resumes. So I think we could open this up a bit and put it on two different pages. So let's just start at the top. Highlights of qualifications, fantastic, love that. The thing is, it starts with over 2 years of work experience in customer service and sales. That has nothing to do with childcare, and it actually doesn't really have anything to do with the jobs down here. So that doesn't really fit. And then again, strong customer service. Communication skills is fantastic. So I would leave that. Strong, detail oriented. Some of these are really good, but some of them are very office related. So take off the office related points under qualifications. Then certified in CPR, that's great, but it's in bold. It does not need to be. So just make it the same as everything else. Then we get into work history. So after school daycare center, it just says 2023 here. So I would prefer to see, April 2022 to May 2023, something like that, so that you can see the range. I have no idea, was she there for a month? Was she there for a year? I don't know. So that's true for all of them here. This one, she is a little bit, but I would still prefer to see the months. Then the bullet points are fantastic. The one thing I would add in some of these, it has it here, but I would add the age of the children. So 3 to 4 years old, whatever age you're taking care of, make sure that's on your resume so the families or the agency don't have to go looking for it. Then next, I would put some spacing in here between the two jobs, in here. So have a return. So there's some spacing and it's easier for the eye to skim and read all of your experience. But this all looks fantastic and well laid out. And then down at the bottom here, we have high school diploma. You do not need to put that on your education, especially if you have a bachelor's degree and child and youth work diploma. Those are what we want to see. You don't need to put your high school diploma. It will also, that helps families and agencies figure out how old you are and can lead to discrimination. So take that off of your resume. Overall, this is a fantastic resume. It just needs a few minor touch-ups. If you want your resume audited, make sure you give us a like and a follow and comment down below, audit for your chance.